The video delves into the reasons behind the potential size increase for the upcoming iPhone SE 4. Here's a summary of the main points discussed. Historical design choices. The iPhone SE models have traditionally used designs from older iPhone models. The first generation SE was based on the iPhone 5/5s design, while the second and third generations used the iPhone 8 design. This strategy allowed Apple to reuse existing manufacturing processes and components, keeping costs low. Expected design for iPhone SE 4. The upcoming iPhone SE 4 is rumored to adopt the design of the iPhone 13 or 14. This design choice would involve minimal changes, primarily swapping out the dual camera setup for a single lens and updating the internal chipset. Size comparison. Comparing dimensions, the current iPhone SE, based on the iPhone 8, is slightly smaller than the iPhone 14. The differences are marginal. Height, say, 5.45 in, vs iPhone 14, 5.78 in, width, say, 2.65 in, vs iPhone 14, 2.82 in, thickness, say, 0.29 in, vs iPhone 14, 0.3 in. Despite the slightly larger overall size, the iPhone 14's larger 6.1-inch display compared to the SE's 4.7-inch display will offer a more modern, edge-to-edge screen experience. Rationale for using existing designs. Apple's strategy with the same models is to create affordable phones by utilizing existing, well-established designs and manufacturing processes. This approach helps Apple produce these models cost-effectively. The same models are aimed at providing an entry-level iPhone experience without the premium price tag, making them appealing to a broader audience. Mini design rejection. The video mentions that while some consumers loved the iPhone 12 and 13 mini designs, these models did not sell well overall. Therefore, Apple is unlikely to revive the mini design for future SE models. Conclusion. The expected design for the iPhone SE 4 is not significantly larger than the current model. Apple's focus remains on affordability and leveraging existing designs rather than creating entirely new, smaller-sized phones for the SE lineup. In summary, the iPhone SE 4 might be slightly larger due to adopting the iPhone 13 or 14 design, but the size difference is minimal. This strategy allows Apple to keep production costs low while providing a modern, affordable iPhone option for consumers.